GMT, all things considered, rose 36.35% in 7 days in a sort of enormous way. Bull controlled GMT's truly current cost activities in a genuinely significant manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN basically is drifting at $346,717,663, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Current STEPN cost by and large is $0.29. July 2023. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through STEPN cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these regularly in a real sense. Got clarification on some things, facts. What in a real sense is truly momentary cost expectation for STEPN? Sort of is GMT, an especially wise interest in an essentially significant manner. STEPN support and obstruction levels and so forth in a sort of significant manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging truly profound into the GMT specialized investigation, really let us generally discuss the by and large current economic situations, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Market investigation over the sort of last 24 hours, there was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the in every way that really matters whole cryptographic money market to $1,198,816,136,743, all things considered, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The fundamentally complete exchanging volume basically remains at $30,093,017,822, so 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN basically is drifting at $346,717,663, which generally is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 48.37% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a strength of 16.33%. Which truly is genuinely huge, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,837.66 level after a decay of 0.14% in a really significant manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 0.15%, coming to $1,899.09 during the past 24 hours, which truly is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 80 cents following a value change of 5.65% inside a similar time span, or so they generally thought. BNB, the truly local coin of BNB in every way that really matters, is up by 0.18 and presently exchanging at $240.64. Especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which explicitly shows that BNB, the especially local coin of BNB in a real sense, is up by 0.18 and presently exchanging at $240.64 in a genuinely significant manner. These occasions fundamentally demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a for the most part descending bearing for certainly present moment, showing how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there really was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,198,816,136,743, or so they by and large thought. As of now, a general sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. STEPN backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly recognize key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path in a very significant manner. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become more dynamic and, for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which explicitly shows that stepn support and obstruction levels and so on, which explicitly is very critical. Similarly, opposition fundamentally is a level at which dealers truly move in every practical sense, dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving all things considered higher in a truly significant way. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, sort of is at 29 cents. Up 25.02% in the exact beyond 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 36.35% over the course of the week, showing how stepn backing and obstruction in every practical sense are significant specialized markers used to recognize really key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in a sort of huge manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC most certainly is 346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while in every practical sense, all-out market cap came to $319,776,041 United States dollars, or so they sort of thought. There certainly are very nearly 1,104,192,453 are available for use out of 5,566,425,803. Which explicitly is genuinely huge. STEPN Value Examination GMT Cost Investigation for 19 July 2023, inside a very everyday time span, for the most part made sense of beneath, which truly shows that right now, an essentially broad exceptionally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Or so they in a real sense thought. We utilize commonly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving genuinely normal union and difference, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including essentially straightforward moving commonly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the STEPN, showing that they're in every practical sense are right around 1,104,192,453 in a real sense are available for use out of 5,566,425,803, or so they by and large thought. The overall strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the GMT coin explicitly is close oversold zone, as RSI by and large is at 37, which in every practical sense shows that however prior to jumping, certainly profound into the GMT specialized examination, truly let us generally discuss the for the most part current economic situations, which sort of is very huge. While GMT's Williams %R pointer generally is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange, exceptionally signaled generally is genuinely conceivable at this reach, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. The MACD line by and large is remaining underneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid, especially further appearance. How following truly are the help and obstruction levels of STEPN. GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, truly is at 29 cents, up 25.02% in the truly beyond 24 hours, and sort of has a value change of 36.35% over the course of the week, showing how stepn backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish really key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path in a kind of enormous manner. STEPN financial backers need to fundamentally hang tight for any directional change.